Hello everyone, my name is Mary Hovhannisyan, and today I'm going to talk about the effects of music on human brain. When is the last time you listened to music? Probably not so long ago. This common hobby is not only pleasurable but also very beneficial to us, specifically our brains. Listening to music provides us with emotional, cognitive, and physiological benefits since it affects most parts of our brains. According to the health and wellness website Johns Hopkins Medicine, last updated in 2023, research has shown that listening to music can reduce our anxiety, blood pressure, and pain, as well as improve our sleep quality, memory, mental alertness, and mood. For this semester, I'm taking music appreciation and psychology classes. I've gained important knowledge about the brain and music, which has helped me tremendously in my research of understanding how music affects the human brain. The effect music has on our brains include keeping our brains active, relieving various illnesses, and improving our overall health and awakening emotions. First, I will explain how listening to music increases our brain activity. Then I will show some ways music is used as medicine to improve our health. And lastly, I will present some effects music has on our emotions. Let's discover how music keeps our brains active. The magazine of the University of Central Florida, published by UCF and last updated in 2023, states that listening to music activates our frontal lobe. Our frontal lobe is responsible for thinking, organizing information, and problem solving. It is the large part of our brain and controls several important functions of human brain, which can be enhanced by music. Listening to music also activates our corpus callosum. Corpus callosum is responsible for the communication between our left and right hemispheres of the brain. It works diligently, for example, when pianists use both hands simultaneously when creating music. Now that we discovered how exactly music helps our brain stay active, we can move on to the ways music can be used as medicine. Let's uncover what illnesses music is able to relieve. According to the publication of Chris Harper in the Arbor Company website, last updated in 2023, listening to music has therapeutic effects on Alzheimer's patients. Alzheimer's patients have the symptoms of memory loss and weak cognitive abilities. They cannot remember people or experiences, but through the power of music, they can, for example, remember how to play a musical instrument they once learned. It's all thanks to the muscle memory controlled by our brain's cerebellum. Listening to music improves heart rate, metabolism, and reduces blood pressure. Hypothalamus is also a part of the brain that lights up through music, and it is responsible for the regulation of hormones. Hypothalamus produces and regulates and releases hormones and chemicals that affect the functions named above, which were blood pressure, heart rate, and metabolism. And hypothalamus's overall performance gets boosted by listening to music. Now that we covered how music is used as medicine, we can move on to the music's effects on human feelings. Let's understand how exactly music affects our emotions. According to the article by Benjamin P. Gold, Ernest Mas Herrero, Yashar Zaigami, and Robert J. Zator, published in 2019 in the website pnas.org, listening to music activates our nucleus accumbens. Our brain's nucleus accumbens release dopamine, which is often linked with addiction. Nucleus accumbens controls pleasure and reward, which is why we enjoy music, and often it is just as addictive as a drug. Listening to music also activates our amygdala. It is responsible for processing and storing emotions. Amygdala gets triggered by music, which is why we feel sad or energetic when listening to certain types of melodies and harmonies. In conclusion, music is a valuable tool to humans because it awakens memories, and emotions, helps our brain activity, our physical and mental well-being, and overall quality of life. Scientific research explains why people find so much comfort in music. It connects us all regardless of our differences. The purpose of this presentation was to show some ways music and our bodies sync and work together and the wonders they create. Thank you.